Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another podcast. And today we're going to talk about 2 or 3K mortgages or rehab loans that are part of the HUD system. There's also the home style, which is part of the Fannie Mae system. But let's say the easy way to put it is you're trying to buy a house, it needs a little help, it's a little distressed. You're not an investor, you're trying to buy it to buy and live, but it needs some work. It needs windows, it needs flooring, it needs a kitchen, it needs a bunch of different things that you cannot afford to do if you bought it with just the minimum down, which is 3.5% going FHA. But let's say that you want that house so bad, you're willing to do whatever it takes. Well, guess what? We actually have a 2 or 3K loan, which is a rehab loan, where we can roll in all the costs that you'll need to bring that house back to life without you having to put the extra monies aside. We just put in the down payment, which is the purchase price plus all the rehab costs that you'll need, add those together, and 3.5% down of that. And the bank will let you take up to 6 months to do all these repairs after you close. So you don't have to worry about doing anything up front. You tell the seller, hey, Mr. Seller, I'm going to buy this house the way it is. I have a 2 or 3K loan. I'm doing all the work after we close. You just got to make sure you get a decent deal to make sure it makes sense for you. So what we do is we expect you to have a licensed contractor. As long as you have a licensed contractor that can do the work, they give us a bid. We use that to get the appraiser involved and let us know that the after improved value is going to be a certain percentage. And it's those repairs that are being done are going to make a difference in the property, and make sure that all the health and safety items are also checked off on that bid. So this is a great way for you to get into a distressed home, not as an investor per se, because you're going to live in this property, but a distressed home where more than likely the seller would have thought that you needed cash, but now you can actually finance it, fix it, live in it, and you'll probably jump into a property that you'll have equity going forward. And then you'll be able to refinance in the future, because guess what? With more equity means that you can probably get into a better rate, get rid of that PMI that you started with FHA, and work yourself that way. There is no limit as far as how much money you can add up into the loan with a 2 or 3K. What it means is you can do as much work as possible, even add an ADU that is attached to the house. So if you wanted to convert the garage or add an addition, you can actually do that as well with a 2 or 3K loan. Pretty simple process, as long as you know a licensed contractor is willing to work with you, because it does require a little extra paperwork, but it's totally worth it. So you want to learn more about these loans, let me know. 2 or 3K rehab loans are available.